Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the Xbox game bar record button is grayed out. So the Xbox game bar is a handy tool for gamers on Windows platforms, allowing a seamless recording, capturing screenshots, and managing various aspects of gameplay. However, as with any software, it can encounter issues and suddenly doesn't work as expected. And then I'll show you how to resolve that. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to enable gaming capture. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong settings, at dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung gaming. So i-click mo lang yan. And then dito sa gamings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung captures. Ito siya. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa capture settings and under dito sa recording preferences, so makikita mo dito yung record what happened. At dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So kailangan natin itong i-turn on. So turn on natin. Ayan. Alright. And hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to update Windows and game bar graphics card. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabay mo lang yan. And pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na debmgmt.msc. So ito yung keyboard shortcut ng device manager. Right? So just type this command keyword debmgmt.msc. That is one word, and itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung display adapters. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan lang natin i-update yung ating graphics card driver. So kung paano ba i-update, so select lang dito yung ating graphics card driver. So select and right click. And then itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer for drivers. So iselect lang natin dito yung search automatically. So itap mo lang yan and wait natin. And then the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito sa device manager, and the next solution na pwede natin gawin is to verify background apps permissions. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung apps na keyword. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung app settings. So click mo lang yan. And once na open mo na tong app settings, dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung app permissions. So dapat ay naka-turn on tong ating locations, camera, and then yung microphone. So dapat ay naka-enable yan. Alright, so after dito, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang select dito yung restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Xbox game bar recording button grayed out in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.